Okay, last one for today before you try it. We'll list our A, B, and C. So A, remember there's a coefficient of 1 here, B, coefficient of -2, and C, a coefficient of -8. Since C is negative, we are going to be looking for a difference, and we are going to have one positive and one negative sign. Let's fill in our butterfly. So we'll have 1x and 1x, and on the top we'll have 1 times -8 and -2 on the bottom. And 1 times -8 gives me -8. So I'm going to come over here, talk about my factors of -8. So we have 1 and -8. That times that gives me -8. I have -1 and +8. Then I have 2 and -4, or -2 and +4. And those are all my factors of 8 that I can work with. So I'm talking about numbers that are going to subtract to be 2. 1 and 8, not going to subtract to be 2. So that doesn't work, and the second one doesn't work either. So we're either working with 2 minus 4 or -2 plus 4. Which one of those is going to give me a -2? If you need to use your calculator to figure this out, use your calculator. -2 plus +4 gives me a +2, but I'm looking for a -2. So this last one isn't going to work. This middle one, if I plug that in my calculator, 2 minus 4, that one gives me -2. So those are the ones I'm going to work with. We'll put a 2 here and a -4 here, and those are my factors. And then I'm just going to write my answer as 2 quantities, or 2 factors. So I get x plus 2 and x minus 4 as my answer. If you want to check your answer, I realize I haven't talked about that yet. All you have to do is either use the FOIL method or the box method that we talked about last week, and then multiply and add your like terms, and you should get your original problem as your answer. All right, your turn to try it.